Okay, if I'm wearing a hat on camera, you know I'm going to talk about knitted hats because it's too warm in Texas to ever wear a hat indoors. Let me just say that. And I'm upstairs, so it's a little bit warmer up here. I am releasing this video to let you know that my Fisherman's Rib hat and scarf set has been updated to include fingering weight yarns. And I did this because I love this hat pattern. I worked really hard to make sure that all of the decreases came together just right at the top of the hat. That was the hardest part, to maintain the Fisherman's Rib and get all the decreases right. And I see this style of hat, this kind of lighter weight, slouchier style of hat that I see in a lot of different patterns, and I think the style is really cute, and I thought, well, I can do this. I can just figure out how to do this in fingering weight yarn. So I've done it. If you already own the pattern, you can just go to Ravelry and get the pattern update. You will get a notification from Ravelry, definitely in your Ravelry inbox, possibly also in your email inbox saying that the pattern's been updated, and you'll see that the first part is for the worsted weight and the second part of the pattern is for fingering weight. Okay, because people often say, I'm scrolling through, I don't see it. It's like, keep scrolling. It's there, it's there. So if you already have the pattern, this is a free update. It won't cost you anything. If you don't have the pattern yet, when you buy the pattern, you'll get both worsted and fingering weight instructions. If you would like to get the pattern, you can click the little I in the upper right-hand corner, and that will take you to my website. The pattern includes instructions for worsted and fingering weight, hat and scarf, and sized for men and women. So many ands, so many ands. And I found that this is a Knit Pick Stroll fingering weight yarn. Using one of these yarns is pretty fun because it does the gradual color change thing on its own. I think that I shortened the color change, like I took out, I was knitting along in this color and I wanted to change, and so I took out a few feet of the rest of that and then started this color. So I hurried along a little bit, but it is fun to knit with these gradient yarns in this pattern. Anyway, all the instructions are there. I don't want to go on and on. This is just an update. If you have the pattern, bonus, more pattern for you. If you don't have the pattern yet, bonus, you get 2 patterns for the price of 1. More than 2 patterns because it's sized for both men and women. And there's a scarf. Wow, what a value. Anyway, that's all I had to say. Good luck.